regarding the Flask. I'm going to send you this file. We have to keep everything on Git. So in this project, I would request you to set up a virtual environment and see if you can use this. And this is a very simple flat bootstrap. You have to run this server. And what this server does is that it renders this index.html. And we want to create a form that on the back end links to various fields. So this is just the front end, the fields, and we want to create a backend for that. I'm going to send you what all templates we need. To start with, I want you to check out this Flask Bootstrap and see if you can run this and you can create the server. So to start with, you need to copy this. You need to install Git Bash. Inside the Git Bash, you need to clone this library and then start the server. You can use PyCharm or something. So let's see, and make directory git repo git repo git clone, and I'm going to clone this one. And after cloning this one, I'm going to open this and let's see if we can run this, and then we would see what change we need to do. So this thing is cloned. I'm not now going to open this in PyCharm. I would have to download the PyCharm, and we would download uh, the edition which is uh, community edition. I'm going to use PyCharm for this work because that makes our life easy for now and I'm more comfortable with that. So I'm going to download this community edition. Once I download this, I'm going to open this on the server and show you the output, and then we would have to talk with the client to see how he wants to link stuff. So I'm downloading the PyCharm. I'm going back to my library. So this is the library. Now we need to create three tables. The idea is if somebody comes to us, we have to create three tables for the clients, and the table information is in this invoice. So for the table information is in Excel file, and I'm going to upload also a PDF in this case. Okay, I'm still waiting for the PyCharm, and once the PyCharm is done, we are going to run the Flask Bootstrap. Before that, let me show you how the table information would look like. Oh, so I'm installing the PyCharm Community Edition. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to show you the tables that we want to create in SQL. So we have to also find out the right template to create the table. So this is the library, and this is the table that we would like to create. I'm going to open this and show you the table. In the meantime, we are installing PyCharm. Okay, so this is PyCharm. I'm going to see if I can quickly run the run the setup. I'm going to open the Flask project. So I'm going to Git repo, the new folder that I just created. In the Git repo, I'm going to open Flask. Okay. I'm going to use the virtual environment 2 that already exists here, so that it becomes easy for me to install anything, and I'm going to push back the virtual environment. So for this one, and might be possible that that virtual environment will have nothing. So C users, and I'm going to go with the Git repo, and the Flask I'll have V and V2. I'm going to select with this. Okay, it says that this is not valid. So I'm going to create another virtual environment. So let's see. I'm going to add the other one. Users. And we need to fix this virtual environment as well if they are not working to run Flask. So I'm going to go with V and V1. But this is Python 2.7. So maybe you can create different virtual environment. No? Cannot set up. The SDK seems to be invalid. What the hell is that? Nothing to show. I think these are corrupt. So I'm going to create my own virtual environment. So I'm cloning it from my stuff, and then I'm going to push this V and V3. So the idea is the client wants to create a front end to save information about his projects, and then he wants to make sure that it works. Okay. So this is V and V3. If this virtual environment get activated, then I'm going to do the pip install Flask. So I'm waiting for the. Still trying to index. In the meantime, let me show you. Okay, it's here. Why don't it show the folder? Okay, it's loading. In the meantime, I'll see if I can install Flask in this virtual environment. I'm going to push this virtual environment. Yeah, it works. Okay. Now I'm going to quickly run the things on my end. And I would run the very simple front end. We need to change the front end. I'm going to send you the scanned PDF of running that. So there are various things that the client has created. So this is the one file that I want to show you. Let's see if I can run this. Okay. So let's see, settings. Python debugger. Python console. Okay, still discovering these stuff, so it's taking some time. So edit, setting. So we just install the minimum stuff that are required to run Flask. Okay. Okay. It says cannot import escape 0. Let's see if we can install this. Pip install escape 0. Okay, let's try to run. Oh, this one is live. So I'm running it and it says cannot import this. Let's see if we can install this thing. Pip install. The idea is to make it work so that we can be at the place where it's already there. Let's try to run again. No matching distribution found for escape 0. Pip install escape 0. If this bothers me, then I'm going to install another virtual environment. So this is kind of bothering me. Let's see the configuration. Why cannot I edit the configuration? So these are all the trouble with the PySpark thing. Let's see. V and V4. Do I have any other Python? LMNOP? No. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see which Python version does it have. 3.7. I think it might be because this might be in Python 2 versus Python 3. So let me also try to get the Python 2 because I was running this in Python 2, so that might be one of the stuff. Okay. Yeah, this Python 2 and Python 3 is a big trouble. So we want to do this. I would like you to try to do this, and we are going to talk to the client and work with him. What the hell is that? Otherwise, we'll make a clean one. Star Flask. Okay. 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 What the hell is that? Okay, we'll try to figure out what this is, but this is the project. I want you to run this at your end and then we'll fix it for you.